Namaskar students, this is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session, today we are going to discuss about rank of a matrix. So the term rank is very much familiar with you, and I hope that you have listened the term rank in your class. You say that you have obtained rank 1. You say your papa is rank 1 officer. You say that India is on the rank 2 regarding the density of population in the world. So the term rank is very much familiar with you. So in matrix, what is the rank? What is the rank? To make it a very, you can say, exclusive and very interesting for you, I suggest you that kindly let us write an example, and you will be very much comfortable with this numerical, and your understanding will be very much clear. So please write a matrix of order 3 by 3. Please write capital A is equal to, as you are familiar with this example, so I am using the same. Capital A is equal to, in first row 1, 2, 3, in second row 4, 5, 6, in third row 7, 8, 9. This is a matrix. Okay, any problem? This is the matrix. Any problem? No problem. So write its corresponding determinant. If you are writing it corresponding determinant, then this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you know its value will be 0. So firstly, you try to understand that the order of this matrix is what? The order of this matrix is 3 by 3. Means this matrix is containing 3 rows and 3 columns. And if you are taking the corresponding determinant, then its value is equal to 0. It means that the rank of, it is denoted by row, like a small p, like the rank of A is less than 3. Because if you are finding the corresponding determinant and you are calculating the value, numerical value of that determinant, then you are finding this is equal to 0. So the rank of the matrix is not 3. So then what is the rank? In nutshell, if in case of, please wait for 1 minute. हेलो, अभी बात नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्लास में जरूरी. Yes, sorry for interruption. So here means rank of A is less than 3. Rank of A is less than 3. So means if you are finding the rank, if the matrix is of order 3 by 3, and if you are directly finding the corresponding determinant value, then that is equal to 0, means rank of the matrix is not is equal to 3. So decrease the order and you take any, you can say, determinant of order 2 by 2 from the given corresponding determinant, and you take 1, 2, 4, 5. Take, see in your numerical, there is 1, 2 and 4, 5. This is the minor. This is the minor of the corresponding matrix, and find its corresponding value. This will 1 into 5 means 5, 4 into 2 is equal to 8, means 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3, is not equal to 0. means in case of 2 by 2 minor, in case of 2 by 2 determinant, the corresponding value is not equal to 0. So therefore rank of this matrix is equal to 2. I hope student you have understand that but how to find the rank of a matrix. Again I am repeating, to find the rank of a matrix, firstly you write down the corresponding determinant and then find the value of numerical value of the determinant. If the numerical value is not equal to 0, then the matrix will be the rank of the matrix will be as identical as that of the order of the matrix. If the matrix is of order 3 by 3, then the rank will be of 3. But if you are directly finding the corresponding determinant value and you are getting 0, then try to decrease the order of the matrix by 1. Means if it is 3 by 3 order, then take it is of order 2 by 2. Right? And in case of 2 by 2, still you are finding determinant value is equal to 0. Means the rank is not equal to 2. So the rank will be 1. I hope you have understand what I want to say. And this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query, you need to write your comment in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query from there. Thank you for enjoying.